In this video, we are discussing social media and its effectiveness as a strategy to market your plastic surgery practice. Social media has become a staple of the patient's journey. In fact, 41% say social media affects their choice of doctor, hospital, or medical facility. As for generating new patients, this is an effective strategy. Managing your social media accounts is possible by yourself or with your staff's help. However, best practice is to consistently post. And where many practices struggle is planning content and posting regularly. The typical cost associated with the social media account management can range from free or do it yourself to around $3,000 a month. This range is drastically different because it depends on your market size and your social media advertising budget. A few tips to improve social media engagement are posting consistently. You want to plan out your content pieces weeks, even months in advance. Some simple ideas are staff birthdays, before and afters, with their consent, of course, holidays, local events, and even blog posts. Secondly, engage with your patients. Be sure to have a system that alerts you of patient inquiries and try to respond promptly. If you post an image and fans comment on it, be sure to respond to them. And finally, clearly define your target market. What you post should resonate with your fans. By clearly defining your target market, you can begin crafting content that they will find engaging. Advice Media offers a solution called Social Power. We take the stress out of consistently posting by adding 4 posts a week to Facebook as well as Instagram. This gives your practice the flexibility to post personalized content while still having an engaged audience. Also, posting consistently helps keep your practice top of mind with your patients. Now you can start slow, but always focus on adding value to your followers. Once you have a great website and have implemented a strong SEO strategy that is supported by local directories, review management, and a social media presence, the next digital strategy to generate new patients should be digital advertisements.